Hi everyone, myself Dr. S.P.Saranya, working at Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science in the Department of Commerce with Computer Application. Today's session is a topic as a problem solving using Python. So basically we have to know about the what is programming language. So a programming language is just like a Tamil or English or any other languages. It's we talk to each other. We use programming languages to give the instruction to the computer what task is performing. So computers don't understand our own language, so it's have a special coding, that is binary code. Machine understandable code is a binary code, that is zeros and ones. The computers only understand the binary codes only, that is special instruction written in a way they understand. So we write programs using programming languages, for example C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, and so many languages are available nowadays. There are many programming languages, it has own style and own use. So programming languages basically used to, it bridges the human logic to machine executable binary code. So its main purpose is to it automate the large number of tasks and build the software applications and develop the gaming, and it manage the task and manage the large number of data, and then so many uses for AI. So main key purpose is automatic task. It builds many softwares and it can manage the large number of data. So next, how programming languages work. So basically language operate with strict syntax. It has own syntax and semantic rules. This is the syntax and semantics are the rules for structure and meaning of the particular program. So for example C has its own style and own syntax, C++ like that. So they define structure and meaning of the program. So basically languages are divided into high level language and low level language. So low level language is hard to understand to human, but high level language is simple wordings like English language. So it's easily human readable and human can understand, and they have to easily create the coding. So they abstract machine operations for processing. So here I put the programming languages format. It has syntax and semantics, and basically it's high level versus low level, and then it's compiled. Compiler basically work to translate the human language to machine code, that is human language English language to binary code. And interpreted means it's every single line translated to the system. For example Python is one of the interpreted language. It's translated line by line during the program execution. So next, common programming language paradigms. So Python satisfied these four conditions: imperative and object oriented, that is OOPS concept, and functional, and then scripting languages. So basically C programming satisfied the imperative condition, C++ is the object oriented programming languages, functional is the Haskell and Lisp, and scripting languages for example Python and JavaScript. So Python satisfied the above four concepts. So imperative means it's explicit step by step instructions. For example C and Fortran. Fortran is a low level language and C is a low level language. And then object oriented is it works based on the on objects, that is data and functions. So for example Java and Python are the object oriented programming language. C++ also object oriented programming language. It satisfied the four conditions, that is abstract, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism conditions. And then functional, it computation as mathematical functions, for example Haskell and Lisp programming languages. And scripting languages used for the web development and automatic task will be for perform. For example Python script and JavaScript are the scripting languages. So finally We recall the previous ones. So first, what is programming language? It is a set of instruction. It gives the instruction to the machine. It performing the automatic task, build the software and manage the data. Here I put these examples of languages: C++, Java and JavaScript. Next, programming language. How to programming languages work? It based on the syntax and semantics, and high level or low level languages, and compiler. What is purpose of the compiler, and interpreter. And then programming language paradigms. So it's based on work under the imperative, object oriented programming and functional, and finally scripting languages. Thank you for watching.